Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be reviewing chaingptpad, which is a popular launchpad in recent times. Chaingpt entered the crypto world as an artificial intelligence project. It has various tools in the Web3 space. Due to encompassing many tools like NFT generation, chatbots, Launchpad, it's gaining significant attention. Several IDOs have taken place on the Chaingpt Launchpad. Some IDOs have resulted in substantial profits. Let's take a look at the example of the Friend 3 project. The distribution of this IDO is divided into 5 parts. This means participants in this presale will receive 20% of the Friend 3 token initially and the remaining 80% over the next 4 months. Chaingpt has a remarkable feature. This launchpad offers protected presales. If the IDO you participate in doesn't yield good profits when listed, you have the right to withdraw your invested money. I believe this is a fantastic feature. If you want to participate in new IDOs by Chaingpt, you need to stake tokens. Additionally, you'll need to verify your identity and connect your wallet. Afterward, you can register for IDOs. But before all this, you need to check the tier levels because the amount you stake will depend on your tier level. The tier levels are as shown in the table. I recommend carefully examining this table. To participate in IDOs through the chaingptpad system, you need a minimum of 2,000 tokens, which will put you in the bronze tier. In the bronze tier, there are social media tasks. Moreover, if you win the IDO and don't like the price, you can get a refund. Apart from that, at the bronze level, you also have the chance to participate in the FCFS round. FCFS is an additional round after the IDO where the first participants win. However, the bronze level doesn't guarantee your purchase. For a guaranteed purchase, you need to be at least in the silver tier, which requires you to have 20,000 tokens. Now let's look at the price of Chaingpt. As you can see, the price is approximately 13 cents. 2,000 tokens will cost around $2,725. If you reach this level, your pool weight will be multiplied by 4. The multipliers vary based on the tier you're in. You can also opt for gold and diamond levels. If you don't want to invest $2,700, you can choose the bronze level, which will require approximately $270. If you wish to participate in IDOs, you can verify your identity and stake through the website. Since this is a review video, I haven't explained the process of participating in the IDO and staking. This is because the application, participation, and distribution days occur on different dates. However, if you want, I can cover depositing and participating in another video. This is an informative video and does not contain investment advice. Please conduct your own research before investing. See you in the next video.